Have you been diligently affirming for your self-concept, but you still don't have results? Your SP hasn't changed. Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to share with you why affirming for your self-concept hasn't allowed you to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I am going to share with you why self-concept work hasn't worked for you when it comes to manifesting your specific person. But first, if you would like to sign up for coaching with me to help you manifest your specific person, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery, where I show you step by step exactly how to do this. You can get instant access to this by clicking the link below in the description box. I also offer monthly membership coaching to help you manifest anything you desire. You can get access to this by also clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Why affirming for your self-concept hasn't allowed you to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. So perhaps you're somebody right now who has gone all in with self-concept work, with solely self-concept work, and you have really shifted your self-concept where you know your value and your worth. But your specific person hasn't changed. You haven't manifested the version of them that is in a committed relationship with you, or that proposed to you, or that treats you like a queen. Nothing's changed in your 3D reality. Why is this? So for some people, now no, I said some, not this applies to everybody. This just applies to some people. The reason why self-concept work hasn't worked for you is because your self-concept excludes your specific person. So you have a self-concept that says, I'm always prioritized except by my specific person. I am always chosen except by my specific person. I am always loved except by my specific person. So your self-concept in yourself is solid, but in your mind, you're thinking, oh, my specific person is the exception. So what this means is that for you, you need to now change the way you see yourself in relation to your specific person. And this is all to do with your stories about your specific person. You want to make sure that you curate an affirmation that implies the end result of what you want when it comes to your specific person. In other words, you want to change the way that you see yourself in relation to your specific person. So let's say that perhaps you desire marriage with your specific person, or to be in a committed relationship with your specific person. All you have to do is begin to affirm, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. My specific person only has eyes for me. My specific person only wants to be with me. My specific person always treats me like a queen. Me and my specific person are happily married. My specific person loves being married to me. That's all you have to do. Begin to affirm for your specific person. When you do this, you will see fast results. Now, something I want to shine light on here is that changing your self-concept to ensure you have a really high self-concept where you know your value and your worth is not a waste of time. This is something that you always want to be doing. And here's why. Number one, if you don't have a high self-concept, you're always going to be feeling shit about yourself, right? You're never going to feel empowered or confident or worthy. So number one, you want to ensure you have a high self-concept for yourself so that you feel good about yourself on a daily basis. Number two is that having a high self-concept is what is going to allow you to keep your manifestation. So if you've been doing self-concept work and you have a really high self-concept right now, you're in a really good position, because once you manifest the version of your specific person that's in a committed relationship with you, or that's married to you, or that has moved in with you, you're going to be able to keep the manifestation. So self-concept work is very important. I have worked with people where they haven't done self-concept work, where they have a really low self-concept, and all they did was affirm, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship, and they robotically affirmed this and got results really quickly. However, once they got their specific person, they were unable to keep the manifestation. So they end up staying in this holding pattern where they'll manifest their specific person back, then their specific person will leave. Then they'll manifest their specific person back, but then their specific person will leave. And the reason for this is because they haven't fixed their self-concept. They have a really low self-concept that says, I'm never prioritized, I'm never worthy, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable. And that's the thing that's running the show. So when their specific person comes back, they get triggered left, right, and center about things because they haven't changed their self-concept. They have a self-concept that says, I'm never prioritized, I'm never chosen. And so they are triggered left, right, and center. They throw a conniption, and then a specific person leaves them. And this is why it's imperative to ensure that you actually do have a high self-concept where you know your value and your worth, because you are going to perceive things through the lens of your self-concept. So the version of you that has a low self-concept will always freak out if your specific person is talking to another girl, although it might have been something completely innocent. Like, let's say that your specific person was saying hi to another girl because it's somebody that he used to work with. Well, the version of you that has a low self-concept is not going to see it that way. The version of you that has a low self-concept is going to be like, oh my God, he's interested in this other girl, he doesn't want to be with me anymore, I'm never prioritized, I'm never chosen. Whereas conversely, the version of you that has a high self-concept, that knows you're always prioritized, always chosen, always good enough, and always lovable, is not going to perceive it that way. You're just going to be like, oh cool, he was saying hi to a girl that he used to work with. So doing self-concept work is very important because it's the thing that's going to allow you to keep your manifestation. And also remember that for some people, they can solely do self-concept work and they will manifest their specific person because their self-concept doesn't exclude their specific person. When they're saying, I'm always prioritized, I'm always chosen, I'm always loved, they don't have a counter belief that says, except by my specific person. And that is why it works for some people and for other people, it doesn't work. On my channel, in all my videos, I have always shared from the get-go that when you are changing your assumptions, when you begin to tell a new dominant story, you always want to do it for both your self-concept and your assumptions about your specific person. So this could look something like, I'm always prioritized, I'm always chosen, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship, my specific person only has eyes for me. It could be as simple as that. I've always shared, do both. That way you are covered from all angles. So you are now aware that the only reason why self-concept work hasn't worked specifically for you when it comes to manifesting your specific person is because your self-concept excludes your specific person. And so in your case, you want to begin to focus on affirming stories about your specific person that implies your specific person is in love with you, is in a happy, committed relationship with you, is married to you, or is treating you like a queen, or where you're the love of their life. You want to begin to affirm that. My specific person always treats me like a queen. I'm the love of their life. They can't get enough of me. They always have to be around me. Me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. When you do this, you will see a fast turnaround. And in your case as well, you're in a really good place because you're also going to be able to keep the manifestation because you have done some great self-concept work. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.